Great people, let's have a look how to register in Rain BNB. So I've added, or there's 0.00471 BNB on the OP-BNB network. That's important to understand. The minimum to register in Rain BNB is 0.0044 BNB. So this is enough, but it's important it must be on the OP-BNB network. Right, so I've copied the link. I go into the D app under Explore, and I'm going to paste the link right in the search bar at the top. Now make sure that your network is on OP-BNB. It is already there, so we're going to confirm, and then this page will come up. If you get this install Web3 wallet, just press on those 3 lines and refresh until it connects with the site and you get this message. Register, confirm that it is the correct ID that you are registering on, and then just press register. And then you just confirm the transaction. Alright, you can see the joining fee is 0.0044 BNB. So you just need a little bit more for gas for the registration for the transaction to go through, and there we go. Registered as beginner, registration successful. Right now I'm going to copy my link and send it to the admin. So if you're interested in joining Rain BNB, kindly get in contact with us. The link and the details will be in the description. Thank you very much. If you're watching this on YouTube, please consider to like and subscribe. It's absolutely free, and then you will be updated on the different platforms that we are following and we are involved in. Thank you very much.